evening. Good evening. So at the start of the RC, we see that there's a word like magnum opus, right? And that means that possibly it has to do with a book or some work of art. It says Dumont's magnum opus, which, if you do not know the meaning of magnum opus, you need to go and kind of look up in Google what exactly is magnum opus. There it says a work of art, music or literature that is regarded as the most important or best work that an artist or composer or writer has produced. Right? It could be art, it could be music or literature. If you're really further interested, you click on this and it shows you the origin. Magnum opus, great work, late 18th century. So coming straight literally from great work. Question rises, who the hell is Dumont? I don't even know him. And in another exam somewhere else it might be important. So it's Dumont. French is what we had. So who is Dumont? French surname deriving from nobility. Not enough for me yet to make a call. What exactly is this? Take a call. He says Remains is Homo Hierarchus, published in French in 1967, 1970 and 1972 for the English translations. It is an impressive synthetic work with a strong theoretical background in which the author presented his understanding of the Indian caste society as a whole. According to Dumont, people were ascribed an unequal status from birth and rank from the untouchables who do not then call themselves Dalits at the bottom to the Brahmins at the top. So now we know that if we properly Google Dumont and Indian caste system, we could get something. There you go. Google already knows about it. And here it is. So we got a good sociology guide. This thing will be to go and mark this. Dumont's perspective on the caste system.
मैन वर्सेस वाइल्ड के निर्माताओं से आ रहा है एक प्रशंसित सीरीज जो रियलिटी टेलीविजन को नई ऊंचाइयों पर ले जाता है. तुमने कब
And that will give me a better understanding of this RC when I am doing an analysis. Back to so the very first paragraph, now that I've got an understanding now that this is going to be all about the caste system and the analysis of the caste system by a French person. And then it goes on to show that he distanced himself, started a new field of research, genesis of modern individualism, and again I realized, okay, it's not going to be about the caste system probably, but it's going to be about Dumont. Essays on individualism, German ideology, France to Germany and back. And these did not have any empirical grounding. Empirical grounding as in practical research. Dumont's oeuvre. Oeuvre is the output, work. Again, something that you should kind of look it up. O-E-U-V-R-E. O-E-U-V-R-E. And there you go. It will form up. Body of work of a painter, composer or author, the work of art, music or literature. So basically collection. His sociological interpretation of the caste system is both widely acclaimed and highly criticized. The most radical criticism emphasized that his brilliant analysis is taken from a dominant internal viewpoint. Right? So now again we are going back towards the caste system. We thought that this would move away. It's swinging back to the caste system as such, it seems.